So here at Utilitac, we wanted to put up a Christmas tree this year, but we didn't have a way to hold the tree upright. So we found this car sitting out back and we flipped it over. It turns out cars work perfect to hold Christmas trees up.
Hey, Otto.
Hey, new car, who this? Come on, yeah, come on, die.
All you have to do is kick out the window, the windshield, and then you can just shove the Christmas tree right down into there.
You're hitting the deck. You gotta come in more.
And then run a ratchet strap to the headrest on the seat, and you're good to go. And then we just ran the extension cord to that nice outlet I installed on our signpost, but we're about to get repoed because we didn't pay $400 for our stupid permit that we actually don't need. Imagine if like a tow truck shows up and just like hooks up to our sign and drives off. Merry Christmas.